went to Levine's yesterday to get some pants for me and my niggas. I was gonna steal them, I ain't had no money. Met a girl there, trying on some skirts. I was like, bitch, what that smell like? She didn't know what to say. Anyway. Anyway, the next day, we went to Chick-fil-A, someplace in the mall. When I got there, I was like, bitch, why are those people hurt? She was like, well, it's the mall. I was like, whatever, bitch, give me a chicken sandwich and some waffle fries. I was like, bitch, go up to the counter, tell the nigga I want a chicken sandwich and some waffle fries. For free. Anyway, then we took her to the Silver Ball, play some video games or something. When we got there, she was like, I was like, bitch, you ain't the fuck.